What are we doing there?
We're just making your nails.
We're making Mama's nails?
And your feet.
Yeah, my feet only, yeah?
We can do both.
Nah, I don't have money. I only have money for my feet.
Over there. I can see one over there.
That's your money. You have to save your money. But thank you for the offer,
Is it
though.
from Lulu?
That's from Lulu Jeff.
Yeah, I like Lulu, Jeff.
Oh, that's... Yeah, hang on lang. My boss is calling far out. You recognize Daddy? Call Daddy, have a look, Daddy. See Daddy? Can you see Daddy? Call Daddy.
Daddy!
Have a look. Have a look. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that is so big. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Friday afternoon. It's actually 5 o'clock ng hapon, guys, but it looks really dark outside, as you can see. So kakatapos ko lang mag-work, and ayan, nagbihis lang ako, guys.
It's winter.
What is it now?
It's winter.
It's winter, yes.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared. It's just cold, but you don't have to be scared. Okay?
I just scratching here.
Don't scratch there.
I'm just scratching slowly.
Don't scratch it or else you'll break your skin.
There. It's better.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's better.
That's good.
See right here.
Okay. Baby, show Mama. Oh, what do you think happened?
It's just fine.
Oh, it's fine. Okay.
Yeah, it didn't crack yet.
It didn't crack yet. Well, that's good to hear, Anna.
Hey!
Ayan, so binihisan ko siya ng warm clothes.
This toucher is that broke?
Oh, it's not broken, Anna.
Yeah, cause
It's not broken. Ayan, kasi lalabas kami ngayon, kaming dalawa. Mama will open it shortly, okay? Just hold it for a second. Tingnan niyo si Mami ay nag-duster lang ako, guys, and then I've got this warm puffer jacket. Kasi I'll show you outside, guys, ha. Sobrang ayan. Ay, umuulan pa pala, oh. Kita niyo pa, guys? It's very wet. Ayan.
it's not raining.
So where are we going, anak? Can you tell Tita and Tito where we're going?
In the shopping center. In the shopping center for mommy.
Where?
In the shopping center. Just for like you.
For me?
Yeah, it's just for you.
What are we doing there?
We're just making your nails.
We're making Mama's nails?
And your feet.
Yeah, my feet only, yeah?
We can do both.
Nah, I don't have money. I only have money for my feet.
Over there. I can see one over there.
That's your money. You have to save your money. But thank you for the offer,
Is it
though.
from Lulu?
That's from Lulu Jeff.
Yeah, I like Lulu, Jeff.
Oh, that's good.
And I like Tina Joy.
You like Tita Joy as well?
Yeah,
Who else you like?
Tita Joy is a girl.
She is a girl, indeed.
They have ice cream at their home.
They have ice cream in their home?
They have ice cream.
Yeah, for sure they have ice cream. Because they're in... Where are they? Where do they live?
Brisbane.
Brisbane, yeah? They have...
I'm a moment.
What is it?
I wanna go in my chase pool. I wanna go to my new house.
New house, yeah. Soon, anak. Soon.
I wanna go to the chase pool.
Okay, gusto pa niyang
I
makipag-ano,
don't
guys.
like the chase pool. I just want sky one.
Yeah, you just wanna go to Brisbane, don't you?
Yeah, I don't.
Soon when the police open the airport, okay?
You can fight to the big shops and you can buy shopping toys.
That's right. Come down now. So we can go. So yun na nga, guys, yun yung gagawin namin.
Mama.
Kuko si mami nyo. Kasi magpa-pedicure kasi alam niyo guys, sobrang tagal na talaga na hindi ko napaayos yung kuko ko sa sa paa. So, ang tagal ko na kasi hindi nakapag-pedicure, guys. So, I'm just treating myself tonight with a, pedicure. Tapos, yung kulay sa paa lang. Next time na yung sa kamay. Oop.
That's so funny.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Show them. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Kayu.
No, you say I love you too. I love you.
too.
Kayo.
Kayu.
Ayan. And, as you notice, wala ang ating Daddy Mike. Where's Daddy Mike? Where's Daddy Mike? Where? What's Daddy Mike doing?
He's making his hair.
He's doing his hair.
Cat.
Haircut. No, that is done his haircut yesterday. Tapos, Daddy Mike ay nasa hairdresser ngayon. Diba na-mention ko sa inyo na papakulayan niya yung buhok niya. So, we're going to see Daddy Mike's new look mamaya. Because it will be the first time that I'm going to see Daddy Mike with a different color hair. He's been, black or dark brown the whole time na magkakilala kami. So, it's going to be very interesting to see him na iba yung kulay yung buhok niya. So, we'll see kung ano yung magiging reaction ni Baby Paris mamaya pag nakita niya yung daddy niya. Na iba ang kulay ng buhok. Kasi yung sabi niya guys, yung papagawa nga niya, yung parang silvery na buhok. So, I'm not sure if they're going to achieve that one kasi sobrang dark ng kanyang buhok. Okay, we're going. Baby Celine, wanna say hi to Tita and Tito?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, everyone. Sobrang laki na, oh. I'm coming out soon.
Hello.
Kiss the baby Celine, look. She's moving. She's moving. Ayan, guys. We are going now kasi malilate na kami. So, we will see you later.
He's kicking mommy.
She's kicking me, yes.
No, he's kicking me.
She's kicking you?
He's
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I was touching Celine over there, and I see Celine moving over there.
That's right, Celine.
No, it's not moving. I just saw here the Celine kicking.
Okay, Celine kicking. Okay, see you later, Tita.
See you.
Bit-bit na si Madam sa yung pitaka, oh. Pinasuot ko ng hat, guys, kasi umuulan pa pala. Lahay mo na. My boss is calling far out. Ang aking boss ay tumawag, guys, and it's nearly 5:30. I was wondering bakit siya tumatawag. She was just saying thank you. That's so sweet. She was just calling to say thank you for this week kasi it's been insane. Sobrang busy sa trabaho talaga, guys. Like, seriously, lagi kong minimension na, sobrang, ang tawag dito? Basta sobrang busy sa trabaho. And then, she was just saying thank you. And thank you in advance for next week kasi for sure we'll be really busy again for next week. So, that's very kind of her. That's why I love my work, guys. I love my job because they do care so much and also they appreciate your hard work. Makes me really happy. Anyways, alis na kami kasi late na kami. Where's the wallet, anak? Good girl. Tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. Ayan. Hello, very cold, anak. Will you be okay, anak? Okay, go, let's go. Start out na. I have my mask in the car.
A few moments later.
Are you comfortable with?
This chair's here, Mom. I can see now.
You can see now?
Yeah, I'm not worried. This one heat chair.
Just don't jump, okay?
Yeah, I don't jump. I'm not jumping.
No, you're not jumping.
Mommy, Mommy.
Just cleaning my toenails.
So you're not doing your hair?
On my finger.
Yeah. Which color should we get?
I just want I should just play with it.
Which one?
Mommy,
Okay. Pink?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're for grown-ups.
That's right. Hi guys! Kakarating lang namin dito sa shopping center ulit. Hi! Eh, hi! Hi! Ayan, kasi kakatapos lang ni Daddy Mike sa kanyang buhok. Tapos, natapos na rin ako sa aking kuko. Kaya dito na kami nag-meet up. Hala, close naman ang bread top. Uy! I wanted bread. Jump! Woo! Ayun, oh, careful, where are you going? Yeah.
Mama?
Come on.
Mama?
Yay! Oh, here, let's go to the elevator. Do you want elevator?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Quick! Go push the elevator. Go, can you reach? Ayan. Si Daddy Mike naghihintay doon sa food court.
Up or down?
Up, anak, please.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
So big.
You're so big. Hala. Na-miss namin ang unang guys.
I just missed it, Mama.
Yeah, we missed it.
I
Hang
just
on up.
missed it again.
Where are we? Ayan. Yeah, na-miss namin. Because yung tinawag kami ng babae guys kasi tinanong niya kami kung saan daw namin ito nabili kasi yung apo niya,
It's two toys.
this one here, yung apo niya, very obsessed daw ng sky. Nak na? Oh, just the toilet na ta. To the toilet quickly. Oh, andyan pa lang aking kuko guys. Oh.
I
Kita niyo ba?
wanna do Viva poo-poo.
Wiwi only, Ang ganda ng kanilang, dito, oh. Ilang bathroom. Yeah, smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you like the smell?
Yeah, we like the smelly.
Okay, come here. Let's go in. Yay. Here. It's vacant. Anak, where are you going? Hello. Hello, I'm going in now.
Wait, with me.
Yeah.
I don't smell and
Tignan nyo guys. O, tignan nyo ang aking pa-outfit guys. Seriously. Kasi wala na talagang kasya sa tiyan ko, para sa tiyan ko. Ano ating kuko? Ayan. O, diba? Pink na pink.
Mommy, I was scared with this one, but it's not scared.
What is it, no?
I was not scared this.
Don't be scared of that. It's just a sink.
It's
Just a little sink.
it's just one like this.
Guys, nakita ko na si Daddy Mark. Guys, oh my God. Hindi pa niya kami nakita. Sobrang puti ng kanyang buhok.
What's this, Daddy?
Hala, anak, will you recognize Daddy? Call Daddy, have a look, Daddy. Si Daddy. Can you see Daddy? Call Daddy.
Daddy! I don't know Daddy did.
Huh?
I don't know Daddy did.
That's Daddy. Have a look.
That's Daddy.
Have a look. Oh my goodness.
This is silly.
Oh my God, that is so freaking what?
That's funny.
Hala.
That's funny. This is funny.
Who's that now?
Daddy.
Is that Daddy? Oh, look.
Here, Mommy. It's funny. It's funny. It's too funny.
Is that Daddy? Is that your Daddy?
Yeah, that's my daddy.
Are you sure Daddy babe?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Wait, it's so funny.
What do you think, honey?
Funny.
Huh?
It's funny.
Funny?
Yeah, it's so funny.
Just
It's so funny?
Yeah, that's
What do you think, guys? Gee, it was really, they've done a great job, Zara.
Yeah.
So like making it really white.
What do you mean?
Hey,
Because normally, like they
it
can
was
be
so
like,
funny.
you know, can be
Daddy,
orangey.
it was so funny, like, Daddy. It was so funny.
So funny, Anna?
Yeah, it's funny.
Tell me, what do you think about Daddy's hair?
And white.
What?
Yeah,
Do you like it?
yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. But,
Don't touch. Don't touch,
He said,
honey.
anyway, it's good because he said like,
Mama,
You
my
guys-
hand is not dirty.
he told me like you can't, the one that I wanted to do, he said you can't do it yet.
What?
He goes, just let me do it all, and then in a few weeks, it'll be exactly how you want it.
Mama,
Yeah.
Because he said like,
Mommy, can you go to the toy shop now?
he said his hair's too short to do like, my hair's too short to do like regrowth.
Yeah.
He said, so what you need to do, he goes, your hair will just naturally grow, and then you'll have the look you want.
Yeah.
Because he said, let me do
It
it
will go
all.
like balayage. Kind
Yeah,
of
it'll be just, he goes, you just have like a dark.
Mommy,
He goes, you have a. He said you'll have a darker undertone in a few weeks.
Yeah.
Because he goes, all you need is a little bit of root. But he goes, because your hair's short, I can't do it like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, looks good. I like it.
Yeah. You like it? That's the main thing.
Do you like
It's a
it?
red here around here. That's from the chemical. Yeah. Yes or no? Yeah. How about we eat first? What do you think of that is? Hair, guys?
That's funny.
Let's go get something to eat first. So hungry. I'll just go do Nene's maybe. And we're home. Tingnan niyo ang laruan na pinabili ni Baby Paris. Oh,
There's nothing inside. There's nothing. No.
there's nothing in there?
There's nothing.
Ito yung laman niya.
It is here.
Yeah.
We open this.
Of course. Market talaga to siya, guys. Oh,
Oh, in the
may pa-
market, I will buy this.
What is it na?
I got me some more too.
What is it?
Let me choose. I have one.
Show me back.
That's
Wow.
a lot.
Wow.
I'm trying to open this out. I can open this.
Sure. Dako ka sudlanan, nak. Gamera kayo sulod.
Wow!
Nak. Gusto mo niya, ay.
I just want to play with it. Right
Yan lang yung laman.
here, and right here,
My gosh!
and right here.
Mura na. Okay. Wow, you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Tapos nung nandun kami guys sa TK Maxx, napabili rin si Ma'am
By the
yung...
way, when we making makeup,
Yes, honey. I'm just gonna show this to Tita and Tito quickly. Yan. Ayan. So, yan napamili ko, guys. Because you know what? Hindi talaga ako... I'm already, 32 weeks pregnant. At hindi talaga ako namili ng mga damit ko na pangbuntis. Actually, ito sila. Hindi to sila pangbuntis. Stretchy lang sila. Kaya kakasya na siya sa tiyan ko. Medyo... Hindi naman siya marami. Meron kasing mga nakasale din, guys. Hindi ko talaga siya pinano, pero pumasok kami doon kasi si Daddy Mike binila niya si Baby Paris ng laruan. Kaya yun, sabi ko, bili na lang ako. Kasi may nakita akong cheap.
and make my nails.
I have a look at him. Kamukha daw niya si, guys, si Adam
Huh?
Adam Levine?
Who's that?
Levine?
Who's that?
I don't know, Bob, who's that? Anyways, the first
guy that looks
thing...
like
Yeah. First thing that I'm gonna show you is this. Tingnan nyo. So, pang lounge lang natin dito sa bahay. So, pang lounge ko lang dito sa bahay, guys. Sobrang soft ng kanyang material. Grabe, sobra, oh. Size 12. Para kumasya sa tiyan ni Mami. Ayan. Sobrang soft talaga, guys. See, originally...
Wow, your makeup. You can make one look at her house. Perfect.
Yung TK Maxx na presyo was $25. Tapos naging 18 na lang siya. Ayan. Ang sarap na pang tulog, guys. Grabe. Sobrang soft. Second one is this. So, it's
She's really good at that.
yeah. So, it's a skirt. It's a pink skirt. Maxi skirt siya guys kasi mahaba siya oh. Ayan. Again, super stretchy. Para kumasya sa kay Baby Celine. Ayan. I got this for $25. Ito yung kanyang brand. Ayan. So, pinili ko to siya guys kasi kahit na hindi ako buntis, masusuot ko pa rin to sila. Ay, hindi siya masayang pa. And then, pretty, come here, show tita your nails. Tingnan niyo, kinulayan na niya ang kanyang nails. Ay. Oh, wow, so nice. Siya lang yung nagpinta-pinta guys. Left and right. Magmanicurista ka na? And then, next one is this plain, hindi siya white. Para siyang beige. Hala, may ano na pala dito, oh. Mark. Eyeshadow. Ayun, meron siya eyeshadow. Hey, okay. Look in the mirror, ha. If you do it, ha, pwede matustok imong kalimutaw. Ayan. Sobrang stretchy again. So, everything here, they're all stretchy. Size medium to large, this one, style state. And guess what? From $17 down to $6 na lang siya. Ayan. Kaya, binili ko na. Next one is this top. Zenana Outfitters. Size small, but stretchy. Look in the mirror lagi when you do it. Nak, na matustok yung mata. You don't wanna poke your eye. In the mirror, in the bedroom. Gusto ninyang maganda. So this one is from $8 down to $4. Ayan. Purple ang kanyang kulay. Very stretchy. Another one is this. Very similar to that one. Ayan siya, oh. Para siyang blue na may pagka-gray. Size large. From $8 down to $4 na lang siya. Diba? And then, last one is this one. So, ito talaga yung una kong nakita. Tapos, nasunod na lang to sila. Kasi sabi ko, oh, well, since bibili na ako, bibili na lang ako ng mga yung nasa clearance na ano. So, sobrang liit niya tingnan, diba? This is size 12. Liit lang siya tingnan kasi, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Bumabalik lang yung kanyang ano kasi parang body hugging ba. Pero stretchy talaga siya. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Pero sobrang liit niya. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, you can't wear it right now, can you? Sabi ko, oo naman. Uy. Oh, kasi sobrang stretchy man niya. Ayan. I can't wait to wear this. Kasi nga guys, wala talaga akong binili ng mga pang maternity talaga. So, ito siya. Kahit ito siya, hindi to siya pang maternity. Parang duster lang siya. Nabinili ko sa ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay, pero branded to siya. Ayan. Wala na talagang kakasya sa tiyan natin kasi sobrang laki na. Kaya this one's very stretchy. Sobrang helpful yan. Medyo naging emotional na naman si Buntis kanina sa sasakyan, guys. Kasi tonight is the last night na ida-drive ko yung sasakyan ko na yan. Kasi nga, diba, we are going to pick up the car tomorrow. So, i-swap na natin siya. So, kaya last night ko na napag-drive doon sa sasakyan. Kaya, ano. Are you right, Daddy? Tingnan niyo siya, guys, oh.
Tiger King.
Do you like my hair? You sit down here, Daddy. Let's talk about your hair. What do you think about your hair? Do you like it?
I love it.
Huh?
Yeah, I love it. I think it's gonna look really good in a few weeks' time when I get a little bit of natural regrowth. So I'm gonna have like a dark base, white top. Pretty sweet. Alright, look pretty sweet.
Well done, Daddy.
If I had to give myself
Sabi
a score.
Huh?
If I had to give myself a score,
Okay, give yourself a score.
12 out of 10.
Very humble ka siya, guys, oh, eh? Super humble kasi
What about my
yung
shots?
12 out of 10.
Did you show my shots?
Ayun yung kanyang shorts, parang ano,
Like
animal
cheetah.
print. Tapos si mami niya guys, yun talaga yung plano ko din magpakulay ng buhok. Kaya lang wala pa akong pera. Hindi kasi guys, yung sa kanya kasi, 'di ba, very short lang kaya hindi siya masyadong mahal. Yung hair ko is too long and every time na nagpapakulay ako ng buhok, it's $300. Ano lang yan ha, normal lang yan na kulay. I remember before, nagpabalayad siya ko, naku, $500. What is that?
You got enough. That's perfect.
I know. She showed it to me. Did you put it on your eyelids?
Yeah, look.
Be, show me, be. Show here, be.
Show your eyes to mommy.
Here. Did you put it in your eyelids?
Yeah?
Hala, anak, you put it on the eyebrow, nak. Have a look.
Like sky.
It's for here, not for the eyebrow.
You have to show her.
Okay, I will be.
Mommy will show you.
Wala na, unsa naman yan. We have to wash it.
I will make this.
Hala, gihurot niya, Bob. She finished the whole... I think this is ko anak, lipstick. Sorry, na, kung saan yun? Eyeshadow lagi. Hala, Bob.
Yeah?
She put the one bit here. The whole thing.
See, it's funny.
That's very funny. You put it on your eyebrows instead of eyelids.
I'll just try it.
You have to wipe it off.
I will wipe it off.
Okay.
Where's the wiping?
Yeah, you have to find a wipe. There. Oh.
Thanks, mommy.
You're welcome. Ang aking anak, oy. Malupigan, mantanin mo na.
I can't do it.
Yung mama, I can't do makeup anymore. I
I just want to make my eyes.
Okay, yeah. Wipe your eyebrow.
Very good, Papa. You're really good at doing it. Your nails look amazing. Don't that, mommy?
Mama will do it, babe. I'll finish it off. Baby,
When do I make yours one?
be careful na kasi it might go inside your eyes na ka.
Okay.
Ano mo eh? Dili sa ako anak, buhok. Dan patanda ko ana, the hair.
Okay, I will just try again.
Try again.
I just try
No,
again.
get mommy to help you.
I just want to do it by myself.
Yeah, but mommy has to show you how to do it first. Then you get mommy to do one, and then you do the other one,
Be, I'll do the one, be.
and then you do
I'll
the
do
other
this
one.
side and then you do the other side, okay?
The blue one.
Which one?
The blue one.
Blue one? Okay. Look at mommy.
Close your eyes.
Close. Don't, just like that.
Not tight. Don't close your eyes. Like the parrots. Look. Look at Daddy. Look.
Like that.
Good girl. And then you can do the other one.
See? The other one, just a little bit. You don't need to use the whole thing now. Just a little bit.
Like this.
Not enough. Close your eyes. Close. There.
There.
Get close. Yep. Good job. Well done. That's it. You see? Beautiful. Wow. Good job.
Am I doing my yours?
I'm okay. Thank you, Anna.
Are you doing my yours?
I'm a boy.
Nails stuff?
I'm a boy. You do mommy's nails.
I doing this
Okay,
color.
come.
What's color?
Do mine, oh. Habang bulingit ka nga akong kuko.
Color be like pink or blue?
Pink.
Pink, please.
Okay.
Can you do it properly?
Do it like yours.
Nana ko yung manicurista, guys, eh.
I'm gonna make yours. Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe Paris could be a makeup artist.
Yeah. Are you going to be a makeup artist now?
Yeah.
No, but there's more pa. No. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. Wow! Great job! Wow!
Look at another one.
Wow! Galing-galing niya guys, oh.
Now make
Huh?
another one. Let's go make another one.
The other one?
Yeah, that
Okay.
one.
Put more na. Put more go.
Okay.
Nak, mag-makeup artist ka, Nak. Nak, do you wanna be a makeup artist when you grow up?
Yeah.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
Me there.
Ask her, do you makeup artist or police?
Would you like to be a makeup artist or a police?
I want to be a marketplace.
What is it?
I want to make this one.
You wanna make this one?
You did your one better than Mummy's.
Thank you. That one.
How come your one looks better than Mummy's?
Bob, of course, if you do yours, you make sure yours is better. Thank you, sweetheart. I love you. Saan nakanyang kuko? Let's dry it off, okay? Are you gonna put one on baby Celine when she's out? Yeah. Don't use all of that, okay? So you can use some for baby Celine.
For ears?
Anyways, guys, it is now 9 o'clock ng gabi. So i-end na natin yung vlog.
Over here?
Yeah. Okay. Mag-shout out. What are you trying to see?
It's just
Your ear?
yeah.
Okay, have a look. Careful. Is it there? Careful, mataga ka na. Ay! Be? Wala mo siya pikit na. I think that's for the nails, Nak. That's not for the ear. That's for the nails.
What's that? Okay.
Okay guys, we'll just do a quick shout out. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat guys. Maraming salamat talaga sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Sa walang sawang pagko-comment. Thank you talaga. Now, shout out to Simply Ray, Digna Villavicencio, Elena Risulis, Irene Aliperio, Lolita Rivera, Joanne Ambe, Mr. Nice Guy Yugad Khan, Joanne Owano, Rosemary Verzon, Marilu Arsinio. Shout out to Emelita Gonzalez, John Ray Gikan, Feli Ilamparo, Paulina Kines, Cheese Journey, Jean Bagsik, Simply Rate, Weng Arong, Vicky Inot, Sakura L, Jocelyn Pason, Calvin Borinaga, Yet Balino, and Pia25. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, dito pa pala siya, guys. Ayaw niyang magpaiwan. Thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. Ano? And if you can't,
Careful, bye.
Bye.
Dali. Bye.